Hello everyone, this is Vijay Lakshmi Subnani from Winmass YouTube channel. Here Winmass is a free YouTube channel helping students across Karnataka to excel in their PUC board exams and various competitive exams. This channel helps to those who are studying PUC and guide you in making a PUC preparation for well as well as for various competitive exams. Here in this session, I have solved exercise problems on operations of sets. In last session, we already discussed the union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, and disjoint of sets. And based on that sets, we have discussed definitions and some example. Okay, based on that questions and definition, we will discuss the exercise problem one by one here. Okay, that is exercise 1.4. First question, find the union of the following pairs of sets. Okay, first they have given two sets. We have to calculate their union. Okay, that is the symbol represents the union. X union Y is equal to, according to the definition of X union Y means all the elements which is present in X or Y. Okay, so it indicates the definition says X union and Y means an element X such that X belongs to A or X belongs to B. If an element which is present in both the set, we have to write only once in their union. Okay, this is the definition of the union of set. Now I have solved here. First I have read the elements of X, that is 1, 3, 5. After that I will write all the elements of set Y. Here 1 is already there, so I am not writing another time. Okay, 2, yes, 3 I have written already. Okay, therefore X union Y is equals to the elements 1, 3, 5, 2. I have written in a serial order 1, 2, 3 and 5. This is the X union Y. Next, second question. A be a set containing the elements. This is flower bracket. A set A be a set A containing the elements A, E, I, O, U and B be a set containing the elements A, B, C. Therefore, A union B is equal to the elements which is present in A set is A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Again, the elements which is present in set B, A I have written here and the element B. Then another one element C. Okay. The elements which are present in A union B, I have written in a order, that is A, B, C, E, I, O, U. Okay. Now, third question. Here, A be a set containing an element X, such that X is a natural number and multiple of 3. Okay. X should be a natural number and also it is multiple of 3 means the number starts with 3. 6, 9, 12, 15 up to so on. Okay. And the set B, X is a natural number less than 6. What are the numbers, natural numbers less than 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They given less than 6 means have to take only 1 to 5. Now we have to write the A union B. Okay. Here in between these two sets I have written first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it is a definite set. It is indefinite set. Don't know about the last number or last element of this set. So I can write the first definite set or finite set. After that 3 is already repeated. Next element 6, 9, 12, 15 and up to so on. That is multiple of 3s. Okay, multiple of 3. Up to so on, multiple of 3's. Now, let us move on the next question. Question number 4. Let A be a set containing a natural number. X is a natural number, the number which is lies between the 1 and 6. Okay. Here there is a less than condition. We already know about the intervals. Okay. Less than means we have to, the element 1 should be excluded. Okay. So don't write up the element 1. In between 1 and 6, I have taken 2, 3, 4, 5 and I have written 6. Here 6 means 6 less than or is equal to means have to, the 6 is included. Here 6 is included. Okay, according to the intervals or less or by the condition less than or is equal to means have to collect or the number should be included. Then set B containing an element x such that x is a natural number and the number 6 which is lies between 6 and 10. Okay, in between 6 and 10 there is a less than condition. The end point should be excluded. Okay, so 7, 8, 9 only. There are only 3 elements. Then their union, A union B is equal to, what are the elements? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the A union B. Next question. Let A be a set containing the elements 1, 2, 3 and B be a set containing no elements. Then A union should be 1, 2, 3. Okay. As we know the property about identity, A union null set should be a union only. According to the property of union operations, A union null set should be A only. Okay. Now, let us move on the next question. Question number 2. Let A is equal to set containing element A comma B and B be a set containing the elements A, B, C. Okay. Is A is subset of B? First question. A is subset of B. Here A is a subset and B is the main set. Okay. According to the definition of subset, we have to take all the elements of B or else less than B. Okay. Here also elements AB is there and here also AB is there. Okay. And another one element C is also there in main subset. From the main set, I have taken the 2 elements. By using the 2 elements, I will make one set that is called as a subset. Therefore, A is subset of B. Yes. A is subset of B. Now, what is A union B? We have to calculate A union B. What are the elements in A comma B, and union of what are the elements in B? A, B, C. Okay. Then A comma B. Here A, B is already there. That is C. Okay. A union B is equal to, what is mean the A, B, C? Okay. In place of replacing set A comma B comma C, I have written B set only. Therefore, A union B is set B. Okay. This is the result of the second question. Next, third question. If A and B are 2 sets such that A is subset of B, then what is A union B? That is, A union B should be a set B only because it is a main set. From the main set, I have taken the A only. According to the above definition, what we say A union B is equal to set B only. Okay. If A and B are 2 sets such that A is subset of B means A union B should be a greater set or main set. Question number 4. If A is equal to set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 and set B containing the elements 3, 4, 5, 6 and C is set containing the elements 5, 6, 7, 8 and finally last set D containing the elements 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we have to find the one by one. First, A union B. What are the elements in A? 1, 2, 3, 4 and union of set B containing the elements 3, 4, 5, 6. Their union. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because 3 and 4 is already in set A. 3, 4 is common to both set. That's why I have written only once. Next, A union C. A union C. Okay, A set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. Union of C set containing the elements 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, then their union 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The elements of set A and the elements of set B. Okay, all the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, third one, B union C. Okay, B union C. What are the elements of set B? 3, 4, 5, 6 and union of the elements which is present in set C is 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now I have to check the B union C. The elements of set B are 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the elements of C 5, 6 already is there. I have written only once. So the elements 7, 8. Okay. B union C is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next question. Question number 4. B union of D. Set B containing the elements 3, 4, 5, 6 union and D 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, what are the A, B union D elements? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the B union D. Next question. A union B union C. Okay. A union B union C. First, I have written the sets. A set containing the elements 1, 2, 3, 4 union. B set containing the elements 3, 4, 5, 6 union of C 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. After that, I will write the unions. Union, if in case two sets are given, we have to take the elements of both sets. If in case three sets are given, in that time also we have to write the elements of three sets also. Okay, that is set A 1, 2, 3, 4. After that, set B 3, 4 already there, 5, 6 and set C containing the elements 5, 6 already is there. So next 7, 8. The elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next question. Question number 6. A union B union D. Here also have to write it. First A set 1, 2, 3, 4 union set B 3, 4, 5, 6 union D 7, 8, 9, 10. After that, I have to write all the elements here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the A union B union D. Okay. Next, last one. I have writing directly. Okay. First, elements of set B. 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, elements of set C. 5, 6 already there. Directly I have written 7, 8. The elements of D. 7, 8 already there. 9, 10. This is the solution of B union C union D. Okay. Now, let us move on the fifth question. Find the intersection of each pair of these sets of question above. For the first question, we have to check the intersection. Okay. According to the definition of intersection, if A and B are two sets, if A and B are two sets, intersection symbol have to written like this: A intersection B is equal to the element X which is present in both the set. X belongs to A and an element X belongs to B also. This is the definition of A intersection B. Means an element which is present in both the set, that is the intersection. Okay. Here X intersection Y is equal to, what are the elements which is common to both the set? Here 1, 1 and 3, 3. 1 and 3 are the elements which is present in both the set, or the elements 1 and 3 common to both the set. Therefore, the result AX intersection Y is 1, 3. Set A containing the elements A, E, I, O, U. Set B containing the elements A, B, C. What are the common elements? A. Here also A. Only the one element which is present to both the set, that is A only. Set C. X is a natural number and multiple of 3. What are those? 3, 6, 9, 12 up to so on. Here a number, natural number less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In between the two sets, what are the common elements? A intersection B is equal to, what are the common elements? 3. Okay. 3 is the only element which is common to both the sets. Next, question number 4. X is a natural number and 1 is less than X less than or is equal to 6. The elements are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here the elements 7, 8, 9. Okay. In between the two sets A and B, there is no common element. Okay. In between the two sets, there is no common element. Therefore, I have written null set. Okay. In between these two sets, I have written A intersection B will be null set. Question number 5. If A be a set containing the elements 1, 2, 3 and B be a null set, according to the property of the identity, A intersection null set should be a null set. Okay. If there is no element means here nothing. If B be a null set, then their intersection should be A intersection B is null set. Okay. Now, here don't confuse here, because A intersection null set is null set, but A union null set should be A set only. Okay. If union, we have to combine the elements of both the set. Intersection means have to take only common elements. Okay. That is the difference between union and intersection. Next question. Question number 6. If they given 4 sets, okay, in between 4 sets we have to check the intersection. First one question, A intersection B. Okay, here A set containing the elements 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection of B set. 7, 9, 11, 13. Okay. What are the elements common to both the set? That is 9, 11 and 7. Only 3 elements which is common to both the set. Therefore, 7, 9, 11. These are the common elements between the set. Next, question number 2. B intersection C. 7, 9, 11, 13. Intersection C. 11, 13, 15. Okay. What are the common elements? Here 11, 13 are the common elements. Therefore, 11 and 13. B intersection C is 11, 13. Next question. A intersection C intersection D. It means an element which is common in 3 sets also. Okay. Here, first I have taken A intersection C. What are the common elements between A and C? That is, I have written here 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection of C. 11, 13 and 15. Okay. First I have to check A intersection C only. Okay. What are the common elements between these two sets? 11 only. Okay. The element common is 11. After that, intersection of what is the third set? D containing the elements 15 and 17. First, I have to check the common between these two sets. After that, I will take here intersection of 15, 17. What are the common elements between these two sets? No, there is no common element between the sets. Therefore, A intersection C intersection D will be null set only. Then, question number 4. A intersection C. Okay. First, I have considered A set 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. Intersection of 11, 13, 15. Okay. Between these two sets, there is a common elements that is 11 only. Next, question number 5. In between B and D, B intersection D. Okay. The B set containing the elements 7, 9, 11, 13 and intersection of D 15 and 17. Okay. What are the common elements? Nothing. No common elements between these two sets. Next, question number 6. First, have to check the A intersection B union C. First, I have written A in sets. The elements 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. After that, I will make one intersection, then bracket. I have to write the B union C. B set I have written here, the elements 7, 9, 11, 13. Union means have to combine elements of both the sets. 30, 11, 13 and 15. Okay. Now, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Intersection of what are the elements here? 7, 9, 11, 13. 11 and 13 are common. So, I have written again. Okay. In between these two sets, what are the common elements? Here the common elements are 7, 9, 11. Between the two sets, the common numbers are 7, 9, 11. Therefore, A intersection B union C is 7, 9, 11. Next, here A intersection B. What are the elements which is present in A? That is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. And intersection of what are the elements which is present in the 15 and 17. In between these two sets, there is no common elements. Therefore, it is a null set. Okay. Let us move on the next question. Here, A intersection B union D. The set containing an elements A 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Okay. So first I have to check the B union D. What are the elements in B? That is 7, 9, 11 and 13. Okay. Now, union of what are the elements in D? 15 and 17. First, have to check the elements of B union D. Okay. What are the elements? 7, 9, 11, 13, 15 and 17. Okay. In between these two sets, what are the common elements? Only the elements are 7, 9, 11. 7, 9. Okay. A intersection B union D is 7, 9, 11. Next question. A intersection B. Okay. A intersection B. What are the elements A intersection B? Already we have to find the A intersection B. The elements are 7, 9, 11. In first question, we have to check the A intersection B only. And again, intersection. Then B union C. What are the common elements between B and C? That is 11 and 13. Okay. Now, I have here B union C. Okay. The elements are B union C means have to combine all the elements. What are those? 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. B union C. Next, what are the common elements? The common elements are 7, 9, 11. Okay. These are the common elements of in between the A intersection B and B union C. Now, let us move on the next one question. A union of D. Okay. First have to write the A union D. What are the elements of A? That is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. D. What are the elements in D? The elements are 15 and 17. Okay. After that, here there is an intersection. I have written intersection. Then I am writing directly B union C. What are the elements in B? The set B containing the elements 7, 9, 11, 13. And what are the elements in C? C are 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Okay. These are the elements. In between these two sets, we have to check the intersection. What are the common elements between these two sets? 7, 9, 11, 7, 9. Okay, let us consider the question number 7. If A is a set containing an element x such that x is a natural number, first I have to write the set one by one here. X. What are the elements? The number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to so on. For the second set, that is B. What are the elements? Set of even natural number. The numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. And set C containing the elements odd natural number 1, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. D containing the set of prime numbers, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 up to so on. These are the elements of the given set. For this set, we have to check the result one by one. A intersection B. Okay. A set means already we have taken set of natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Intersection. And set B, even natural number. That is 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on. In common elements are in between these two sets, the common elements are 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so. This is the result of the given question. Next, second one question. A intersection C. What are the elements? A 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on. Intersection. Here C 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay. What are the common elements? The common elements are 1, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. Okay. Now, move on the next question. Question number 3. That is A intersection D. That is set containing 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Intersection of D. 2, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. Their intersection should be 2, 3, 5, 7 up to so on. Okay. Now, let us move on the next question. Here, B set intersection B. The set B containing a even natural numbers. Okay. Here, the set B containing even natural numbers. Intersection set C containing a odd natural number. Okay. In between even and odd natural number, there is no common elements. In between these two sets, there is no common element. Therefore, the result should be a null set. Okay. Now, let us consider the next question. B intersection D. Set B containing a even natural number and set D containing a prime numbers. Set of prime numbers. In between these two sets, the common element is 2 only, because the even prime number is 2. 2 is only the one element which is even prime number. Next question. C intersection D. Okay. C intersection D means C containing a odd natural numbers. Intersection D means odd prime numbers. Here the result is, I am directly written here, odd natural numbers. You have to write in a sentence form, or else you have to write the elements directly. Okay. Let us move on the next question. Question number 8. Which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? Okay. We already know about the definition of disjoint means if there is no common element between the two sets, that sets are called it as a disjoint set. Okay. If A and B are two sets, here there is no common element between the two sets, then the both sets are called it as a disjoint sets. Okay. So first I have to write the elements here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And x is a natural number less than or is equal to 4. 4 should be included here. 5 and 6. Okay. In between these two sets, 4 is an common element. Therefore, these are not a disjoint sets. Not disjoint sets. Okay. Next question. The set containing the elements A, E, I, O, U and C, D, E, F. In between these two sets, E is the common element. Okay. E is the common element. Therefore, it is not a disjoint set. It is not a disjoint set. Next question. X is an even integer and X is an odd integer. Just we are discussed here. Even integer and odd integer, there is no common element. Therefore, it is a disjoint set. Next question. Question number 9. If A be a set containing the elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and B be a set containing the elements 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and the set C containing the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and set D containing the elements 5, 10, 15, 20. We have to find the questions one by one. Okay, here A minus B means it indicates the difference of sets A minus B. Difference of sets A minus B. According to the definition of difference set, an element which is present in set A but not in B. An element which is present in set A but not B. Okay, so first I have to write the elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay. Minus set B 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. In between these two sets, the difference is first have to neglect the common elements. What are the common elements? Here 12 is the common element. So I have to neglect the common element first. After that, have to write the elements of A only. Okay, A minus B means have to write the elements of A only. Have first neglect the common element. After that, have to write the elements of A after neglecting the common elements. That is 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. Okay, this is the A minus B or else A difference B. Second question. A difference C. What are the elements of A? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Minus. Then C set. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. What are the common elements between these two sets? 6, 6. I have to neglect. 12, 12. Okay. Now I have to write the elements of A only. That is 3, 9, 15, 18, 21. This is the difference of sets. Next question number 3. A minus D. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Minus set D. 5, 10, 15, 20. What are the common elements here? 15 is the only common element. After neglecting, what are the elements in A? 3, 6, 9, 12, 18, 21. Okay. Next, let us move on the question number 4. B minus A. Okay. B, the elements 4, 8, 12, 16, 20 and set A. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. What is the common element? 12 only. What are the elements which is left in B? 4, 8, 16, 20. This is the result of the B difference A. Next, let us move on the next one question. C minus A. What are the elements in set C? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. Minus, what are the elements in A? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 and 21. Okay. So, what are the common elements first? 6, 6, 12, 12. After that, I have to write the C difference A, 2, 4, 8, 10, 14 and 16. Next question. D minus A. D minus A. First, I have written the set D, 5, 10, 15 and 20. What are the set containing the elements A? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay. The common element is 15. So I have to neglect it. After that, 5, 10, 20. This is the result of the given set. Let us move on the next question. B minus C. Okay. The set B containing the elements 4, 8, 12, 4, 8, 12, 16 and 20. Okay. After that, the set A containing the elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. In between these two sets, there is a common element 4, 4, 8, 8, 12, 12, 16, 16. Only the element 20 which is in B minus C or B difference C. B difference D. Okay. B difference D. 5, 10, 15, 20 minus the elements which is in D. Sorry, here first I have to written B set first. Okay. The elements in set B. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. After that, the elements in D. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. 20 is the only the common element. Therefore, 4, 8, 12, 16. Okay. Next question. C minus B. I have to write the directly because I have written the common elements here. So the C minus B means the element which is present in set B only. Okay. Here C minus B means the element which is left in C. Those are 2, 6, 10. Okay. Then next question. D minus B. Okay. I have to check here. The common elements between these two sets are 20 only. Therefore, D minus B means the elements which is left in D are 5, 10, 15. Okay. Next question. C minus D. Okay. C minus D. What are the elements in C? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16. And in set D, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. What are the common elements? 10 is the only one common element here. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14 and 16. The last one is D minus C. Here C minus D I have written now. I will check the D minus. The common element is the only 10 only. The D minus C is 5, 15, 20. Okay. This is the difference of D minus C. I have solved up to this much. Okay. Let us move on the next question. Question number 10. Before starting this question, if you are not subscribe my channel, please press subscribe channel. If you really like my classes, press like button and share to your friends. Okay. Now Let us move on the question number 10. First, if X be a set containing the elements A, B, C, D and Y be a set containing the elements F, B, D, G, find. Okay. Here the first question is have to find the X minus Y. Okay. First have to neglect the common elements. B and D are the common elements. X minus Y means the element which is left in X after neglecting the elements, that is A, C. Okay. Next, Y minus X, that is F, G. The element which is left in Y after neglecting the elements, common elements. Next question, X intersection Y. X intersection Y will be the common elements between the X and Y is B, T. As we know the result, X minus Y, Y minus X and X intersection Y are mutually disjoint sets. We already know this result, mutually disjoint set, because we have to take the intersection between any two sets. There is no common elements here. Therefore, X minus Y, Y minus X and X intersection Y are mutually disjoint sets. Next, question number 11. If R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of rational numbers, then what is the R minus Q? Here in number system, first there is a real number system. After that, one is the rational number and another one is the irrational. Rational minus irrational should be rational minus real minus rational number, it should be a irrational number. Okay, it is the irrational number. Next question, last one. State whether each of the following statement is true or false. Justify your answer. They given some questions or else some statements. For that statements, we have to check the statements true or false. If it is true or else if it is false, have to justification. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are the disjoint sets. Both are disjoint sets? No. Because there is a common element in 3. Okay. There is a common element between the two sets. Therefore, it is not a disjoint set. Okay. Not a disjoint set. Okay. And according to this one, this is the false statement. The given statement is false because it is not a disjoint set. Question number 2. A, I, O, U and A, B, C, D are disjoint set. No, because A is the common element. This is also false statement. Next question. 2, 6, 10, 4 and 3, 7, 11, 15 are disjoint. Yes, between these two sets, there is no common element. Therefore, this is the true statement. This is the true statement. Question number 4. 2, 6, 10, 3, 7, 11 are disjoint set. Yes, this is the true statement because there is no common element between the two sets. Up to this much, I have covered all the questions in exercise 1.2, 1.4. Okay, if you really like my classes and my explanation, please give one like for my classes, and if you are not get subscription, please do and press subscribe button. Thank you for watching my classes. Thank you everyone.